Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the Wi-Fi network on a Ring device using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, you will see your Ring device on the home screen. Tap on the Ring device you want to update, like a Ring doorbell or Ring camera. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open device settings. Now tap device health. This page shows information about your device, including battery level and Wi-Fi connection. Under the network section, tap change Wi-Fi network or reconnect to Wi-Fi. The app will now guide you through the setup. When asked, press the setup button on your Ring device. This button is usually on the side or back of the device. Hold it until the light starts spinning or flashing. Go back to your iPhone. The Ring app will search for available Wi-Fi networks. Choose the new Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter a Wi-Fi password, then tap continue. Wait a moment while the Ring device connects to the new network. When the setup is finished, you will see a confirmation message saying your device is connected. And that's it. You have successfully changed the Wi-Fi network on your Ring device using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.